And finally, shut up. When stuck between choosing to succeed or to love, choose love. When it's only the magical expression of love that real success is made of. So, to conclude my conclusions, this is the most important part. You don't want to miss this. Forget everything that I told you today. Except for one thing. And one thing only. Oh no, wait a minute, I'm thinking. You're distracting me, please. Let me think.
Only one.
Saglit! Huwag mo akong pinipressure. Ito na, naalala ko.
Wala.
Life will not promise you anything. You'll always try to start one thing and fail over and over again. When you go back to your respective units, it will all be the same. Lahat ng mga tao na naniniwala sa inyo, yun pa rin magagawin nila. Lahat ng mga tao na galit sa inyo, galit pa rin sila. Lahat ng hindi nyo kasunduin, hindi pa rin sila. Here's the thing, when you go back to your respective units, it will be the same. But when you go back there, I trust that you will start to change the process. You too can inspire your own communities. Forget everything that I told you today except for one thing. Life will not promise you of anything. You can always try to do one thing and fail. But, here's the big but. But, if you can just be kind to one another, if you can just keep the faith in yourself and your God, in this bureaucracy, if you can just stay loving and blessed, wonderful things are coming. So from the bottom of my heart, forget everything else. But be kind, take the faith, stay there, and amazing things will come your way. So, before I leave you, please, sa lahat ng may mga Android, before I say thank you, sa lahat ng may mga Android phone, may libreng applications po ako sa Google Play. Download nyo lang ito application, libre, type nyo Lloyd na. Sa mga naka-iOS, iPhone, please, shift to Android. And also, nasa social media ako, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. So please follow me, nagmamakaawa ko, matakutan ang followers ko. Please, pwede natin. And also, kukunin ko ng opportunity na magbenta sa inyo. Sa lahat ng mga walang pera, please mangutang kayo kung may chance. I encourage that now. But also, I'm here because I would like to tell you, just for today, yung mga copies ng books, not for 50, but 3